you're looking for a way to clean maybe the crumbs out of your keyboard or your car dashboard or your phone, where there's just those little crevices where dust gets in and you just can't get to it, even brushing it doesn't help. Well, check this out. What's this jiggling in my hand? This is slime from Slime Buddies. This is going to be lemon scented too as well, but this is cleaning slime. So it's almost like slime for adults. My kids love to play with slime, but now we get to play with slime while we clean. And what you can do is just push this into the crevices. I like to roll mine across, and this is going to collect any of that debris or hair or dust that gets into these small crevices. So we can push this down. This is nice and scented, as this is lemon here. And this is going to be reusable too as well. So when you're done, you'll store it in this container, put the cap on, and it'll stay into this form. It's not sticky by any means to our hands. It doesn't leave any residue, but the dust and debris, you can push this in pretty hard too. See, I'm rolling it and doing this. So picture your keys, your keyboards, your phone, crevice, anything that's a small crevice that you just have had no luck getting clean. Great. You can even, do your car, like I said, those air vents or some of those little tight spots and corners. You can go ahead and collect the stuff by just rolling across. And this will get into all those, you can just, work it in there. You don't even have to be gentle, right? It's not going to leave any residue behind. No slime's going to get stuck. As you can see here, there's no slime. There's no sticky residue. It's doing a great job cleaning your keyboard. So really cool. Shout out to Slime Buddies for gifting me this so I could do this review. Check them out if you need to clean your keyboard or your car.